I'm Jeremy Russell, the 20-minute trader, answering your questions. Another question I want to take up is, what is the hardest thing about your trading technique? I would say the hardest thing is to stick to it. Come up with the rules and stick to the actual discipline of following it. It's amazing how luring the stock market can be to break the rules that you set for yourself. Sadly, 90 to 100% of the people who I personally trained on this technique, who then made huge profits, almost like literally 90 to 100%, tried their own little hunch, kind of like instinct kind of thing, and lost money. And then most of them came back and just continued on with the disciplined rules of my system. But I hated to see them lose money during that time period. And I couldn't really find a way to convince people not to dramatize their basic explorer that they have inside, the basic explorer instinct that we all have. So that's honestly the hardest part, is actually maintaining self-discipline on the various rules. I have the same problem myself. Like, people will say, hey, Jeremy, what do you think about this idea or that? And I'll be like, that sounds pretty good. Maybe I'll try something else or experiment. And then I'll find that my experiments, my hunches, my instincts, they are pretty bad. They're actually terrible. What is good is the simple pattern rules that I discovered. Like, those are great. I respect those rules. I don't even respect my own decisions on the subject of guessing what a stock's gonna do. I don't respect those. But I happen to discover these pattern rules, and those rules are what should be respected, in my opinion. And those disciplines are the ones that I try to, grant the authority to, because those are the ones that have been so successful. So hopefully that answers your question. And if you need more information, go to 20mintrader.com.